I'm Anthony from iMore.com, and I'm turning my iPad into a universal remote control. Tired of having to search for all of your remote control devices and don't want to pay the high prices for a dedicated universal remote like those from Logitech? Well, VooMote has a solution you may be interested in. Once you attach the VooMote to your current generation iPad or older generation iPhone, you run VooMote's proprietary application from the App Store. This app/dongle combo allows you to gain control of infrared controlled devices such as TVs, DVD players, DTV receivers, and stereos. You're able to either download pre-configured name brand signals, or you can teach the VooMote any number of controllers for which you have the original remote to. It also has the ability to create custom controls using multiple virtual remotes in one view, a one-touch option that will turn on or off multiple devices at once, and an option for gesture controls. A seemingly neat feature is the interactive TV guide. However, even though my postal code was found, I could never save my settings to the app to get this feature working. Although they advertise a 30-second setup, any unknown devices can be tedious to set up, but once saved, the device is saved to iCloud for all of your iDevices. I can't say I recommend this device as a replacement to your regular remotes, quite frankly. I found it more tedious to swipe through the different virtual remotes than to simply just use my real remote. I also don't think that many people would want to stop another app that's in use just to change the channel. This was Anthony from iMore.com. You can find more great videos at youtube.com/iMoreVideo and follow us on Twitter @iMore.